Hi, welcome back to Sherry's Crochet and Crocheted Happiness. I'm here checking in with you guys to show you how far we've gotten so far on our temperature blanket. You can see that we had a new temperature in there. We had a couple of days get all the way up to the 50s, and we're back down to, we were into the 30s yesterday, and we're up into the 40s today. So I'm going to add my 40s color, which is this nice purple color in here. All right, so I'm going to leave start off where I left last time with the triple crochet. I'm just checking my temperatures over here, trying to figure out where I was at, because the blue is the 50s and the purple is the 40s. So that's the new color. So now we're back into 40s. Alrighty, so remember I'm doing triple crochet, and I'm going to change my color here and add back in the purple because it got up to 41 today. It was only 36 yesterday, and we were supposed to have a chance of snow, and it was one of those 2 inches of snow, 1 flake every 2 inches. That's about as much as we got yesterday. Alrighty, so I have changed out my color, chained up 2, and then I'm going to tuck my tails in, or my ends in, as I'm going down the line. We've already covered this a couple different times as you guys have checked in to see where we're at with this blanket. Okay, and then just crochet on down the row actually. So there we go. I think it's got a nice color variation in there. I think it's kind of fun to see the temperature come out in colors here on this blanket. So we'll just keep going a little bit further here. All right, if you're just tuning in for the first time or checking in for the first time, a temperature blanket is, I have selected colors to represent each temperature in a variance of 10 degrees. And every day I look at the temperature, I check it, and then I do a roll of stitches to represent that temperature for the day. And I am committing to doing this for all 365 days of the year. I'm not going to come live or post a video every time I change the color. I just think I'll check in every now and again to show you how far the blanket has come, and to show you that I am sticking with the commitment to keep doing that. I think it might be fun if we're at my son plays baseball, so if we're at a baseball game, I may check in with you there and keep the temperature here in Kennewick. But even if I'm in Seattle or I don't know, Walla Walla or somewhere like that, I will still check in and do that. Might be kind of fun. All right, so one tip for today is that even if you're not a beginning crocheter, every now and again, I think it is important to go ahead and count your stitches as you're doing them, just to make sure that you're still on track with your count. I did decide to do mine at 150 because I thought that would be a nice sized blanket. So that's about how big it is. And I did count that I'm at 150 yesterday or the other day when I was doing my stitches, just to verify, because you don't want to drop a stitch along the way and then figure out halfway or a few more rows down and discover that you're off. So keep that in mind as you crochet. Just check every now and again to make sure you're still on track. So, all right, well, that's about all I have for tonight. Just keep going if you're making one, and keep keep changing those colors. And the temperature has been good and changing for us here. So, all right, well, keep crocheting, and I'll check in a couple of days and see how you guys are doing. So make sure to subscribe or like my post if you do, and I'll see you guys in a while. Thanks for stopping by.